Hello everyone and welcome back to MORGBORG Tech. Here I have 7 phones. These are mostly Canadian phones this time, and I actually have a couple of more phones on the way, but they haven't arrived yet, so I'll put those in a different video, and those will probably be featured in March's phone update video, depending on when I receive them. So, this is a package I got earlier this week, and this I got just now, basically. And let's get into it. So here's the first phone here. This is some sort of Samsung on Bell. That is a Canadian carrier. I do not believe Bell Canada is related to the Bell system, which was the giant phone company in the US in the 20th century. So let's see which one this is. SPH A580. Sprint had a version of this one, of course on Sprint, with the Sprint branding, but it was similar to this one. Looks like it has some of the sticky rubber on it that I will have to clean up. Here's the other phone in the package. This is a Sanyo SCP-7300 on Bell. I will not show you the bottom of this one because there is a phone number on the back of it. And now let's get into this other package here. So let's take a look at these. This is a Samsung SPH M500 on Bell. No battery. All of these phones should work, by the way. Looks like the charging port here does not want to stay on. I will look into that later. Here's an American phone here. This is an LG VX3200 on Altel. If you didn't know, I actually got a couple of VX3200s recently, but on Verizon. This is an Altel variant, of course, and so that's nice to have. I'm always looking for more Altel phones. Here's the other American phone. The rest of them in here are Canadian. This is an LG UX390 on US Cellular. I wonder how loud this speaker is, because if it's like the VX4650, where that has a big speaker, this one might also be pretty noisy too. Looks like there's some sort of red button here. Not sure what that's for. If it might be an emergency button or something. Here's an LG on TELUS. That's another Canadian carrier. This is the LG 285, and I'm pretty sure this is the Canadian version of the LG VX5400. If it isn't, it at least looks very similar. And last here is a Samsung SPH A640, I think, on Virgin Mobile Canada. Yep, A640. Sprint had one of these in the US. So let's go ahead and see if any of these turn on. This one does. No startup sound. Let's try the Sanyo. Now, I don't know if that Bell Sanyo startup screen has ever been seen on YouTube, so if it hasn't, I've never been able to find it, then I guess this is the first time a Sanyo phone on Bell has been featured on YouTube, although I have my doubts. Someone can confirm in the comments if I'm right or wrong about that. Of course, this Samsung here does not have a battery. Let's try this LG. This one has power. Let's try this other LG here. There's the power button. Hopefully that speaker can get a little loud, because otherwise that was a little disappointing in my opinion. I'm going to go ahead and skip this one here, because there's no battery in it. And now let's try this last phone here, this Samsung. So obviously that is not the American Virgin Mobile startup sound. That is a very famous sound. You might have seen it before. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.